control designed after linearizing the given nonlinear system x dot equal to f of x plus g of x into u and y equal to h of x. We are doing the feedback linearization for transform the given nonlinear system to a fully or partially linearized model using a feedback input u. Once we have the linear model of the system, linear control design technique can be applied for the system. So feedback linearization cancels out the nonlinear terms using a controller u so that the closed loop system is in a linearized form. Now we are dealing with the input state linearization and input output linearization. In input state linearization, where the state equation in one is completely linearized, wherein input output map y equal to h of x is linearized, while the state equation may be fully or partially linearized.
ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ, 2 സ്ലൈഡേ ഉള്ളൂ.
ബാക്കി പറയണോ മിസ്സേ?
പ്രിപ്പയർ ആണോ?
Consider the nonlinear system S dot equal to f of x plus g of x into u and y equal to h of x. The state feedback controller u equal to a of x plus b of x into v with a change in variable z equal to t of x can transform the above nonlinear system to an equivalent linear system. Revising the problem of a pendulum, in the previous lecture, we have x dot equal to x2 and x2 dot equal to minus a into sine of x1 plus delta sine delta minus bx2 plus cu. The nonlinear terms can be calculated by using the state feedback controller u equal to a by c into sine of x1 plus delta minus sine delta plus b by c, which leads the linearized system of the form x1 dot equal to x2 and x2 dot equal to minus b into x2 plus v. Thus, the stabilization problem for the nonlinear system has been reduced to the stabilization problem for the controllable linear system. We can produce to design a stabilizing linear state feedback controller v equal to minus kx, that is equal to minus k1 x1 minus k2 x2. To locate the eigenvalues of the closed loop system, x1 dot equal to x2 and x2 dot equal to minus bx2 minus k1 x1 minus k2 x2, that is equal to minus k1 x1 minus k2 plus b into x2. In open left half, overall feedback control law is given by u equal to a by c into sine of x1 plus delta minus sine delta minus 1 by c into k1 x1 plus k2 x2. We should not expect to be able to cancel the nonlinearities in every nonlinear system. There must be a certain structural property of the system that allows us to perform such cancellation. In order for the system to have the nonlinearity cancelled using u is defined by u equal to a of x plus bx of u. The nonlinear equation should be in the form x dot equal to ax plus b gamma of x into u minus a of x, where beta of x equal to gamma inverse of x. By cancelling the nonlinearity, we are stabilizing the state equations here.
Okay.